you see on that street there, parallel to this railway, I don't know if you can see, there goes a narrow gauge train tracks. Obviously some more local railway, and the tracks are still in the place. I wonder, do they still use it? Maybe they use it for this banana plantation. You see the tracks there, the small ones, there, and we're following them, or probably I should say they are following our mainline tracks for quite some good time already. Or could they be for the sugarcane plantations? Because I saw, now you can see the tracks very well, the narrow ones, the low ones. I have seen in the previous time when I was in Egypt that they were using some very small narrow gauge freight trains for transporting sugarcane in the fields. So maybe it's the same thing here. Wow, and now you can see the Nile as well, while we are still chatting. Yeah, that's cool. The Nile and the small narrow gauge train track.